So it's load shedding, you guys, and today I am preparing our leg of lamb for tomorrow, as there is no time on a Sunday as we are getting ready to go to church, and after church, you just want to warm up and have your lunch. So what I have here in the pan, in the bottom of the pan, is some carrots and some onions and rosemary. So I will put the leg of lamb on top of that, so that will add to the flavor and also to the sauce that will be extracted afterwards. And I will be making it in the oven, and I'll take you step by step through this whole tutorial on how I prepare my leg of lamb. You can add a bit of celery in the bottom. You can add lemon if you want to, so it's entirely up to you. I always say that each and everyone needs to be creative. Be creative, put in there. When you cook, you can never go wrong. It's all about the taste. But when you bake, you have to stay in the guidelines though. And you have to have your measurements correctly. Otherwise, it won't work out. So this is the first step of the leg of lamb, which we will oven roast. So now I'm mixing all of these ingredients together to form a liquor paste. And then I'm going to stuff the leg of lamb with this. Okay? You have a bit of leftover, you put it on top. It gives great flavor to the leg of lamb. So that's it. They are well combined. And I'm going to stuff it with the stuffing. So I made it a little pockets in the leg of lamb. So all you do is just give it some flavor. The fat pieces will also give flavor. So then you stuff it like that. You look for all the pockets that you made, and you just stuff it. So now that the pockets is stuffed, there is some left over. So you just cover the top areas where there is no filling, like that. And then you want to put on some spice. I've got a blend here that I mix myself, so it's it's peppercorns, and it's dried onion, and it's peppercorns, dried onion, some sea salt, and also liquor mustard seeds. So I'm putting that on top like that. And then what we will still need is we're going to need some water. Bringing the water. So you'll have just enough water as you will be baking it in the oven. I'll fill it up with some liquor water. Okay, I'm going to add a bit more. There we go. Now we're going to cover it with some foil. Now with foil, you'll see there's a shiniest side and there's a dull side. The dull side must always be on top. Otherwise, if the shiniest side is on top, it will reflect the heat away from your meat, which means your meat is not going to cook. But if it's down, it means it pulls it inside. And you just make sure it's liquor sealed all around the edges. Right? You don't want to lose any flavor. Take another piece to the other side. Okay. And now you want to take your knife and just prick a little bit of holes here and there, because yeah, you want to, it to cook evenly and let some of the steam evaporated, and some heat goes in there. So you will most probably pop it in the oven and cook it for about 2.5 hours to 3 hours, on 180 degrees. Yeah, for about 2.5 to 3 hours. So it's a slow cooking. And I'll show you once it's done. You take off the foil and you grill the fat on top, till it caramelized, and then it's done. And there it is, coming from the oven, done and dusted, and ready for tomorrow.